What is going on? Welcome back. This is video number 10 of an 11-part series. I'm pretty sure I messed up the numbers earlier in this series, but 11-part because 10 times 11 is 110 math. But welcome back to another video here in this series where we really jump through a ton of different, 110 to be exact, different ways to make money online, whether it be different business models, different strategies, different methods, tactics, or even just simple things that you're doing every day that you're like, now I know that I should be making money with those activities. So in this video, we're going through another 10. We got this video and we got one more because this is number 10. We got 11 coming up very soon. And if you are just watching this video and have not seen all of the other videos yet, I really encourage you to go check those out because I'm making all of this content, this video, and this stuff for you to really be able to open your mind to the possibility of what kind of world we really live in. Because I truly believe that everyone deserves to be wealthy and there's enough money out there in the world for everyone to have. But the fact is, money doesn't just come to you because you think you deserve it, or you're not gonna work hard, or you're not gonna invest any money. So if you think you're coming to this video and this is just a make money with 4 clicks and be a billionaire, or even make money with 4 clicks and make even $100, that's not gonna be the case. And if you're coming here for that, I'm not the guy for you. This is not the video for you. This is not the channel for you, and the door is that way. But if you are truly serious and willing to put in some work and some time and some money to be able to be successful, then this is the place for you. This is the channel. I'm the guy for you. And we're going to jump into this, have some fun. Are you ready for that? I'm pretty ready for that. But if you don't know who I am already, my name is Rhett Taylor, and on this channel, we talk all about entrepreneurship, investing, money, wealth, success, Amazon FBA, and really how Amazon FBA and the Amazon FBA program can be used as a financial business asset, that you can acquire that skill and be able to repetitively build businesses and build valuable income producing assets that can bolster your retirement or your savings, or allow you to kick back or be able to have more freedom in your life, or slow down at your job and maybe be able to retire. And that's really the power of Amazon. And a lot of people don't truly understand it. And the fact is that when it comes to saving and retiring, it's funny how everyone follows the same path. It's all about the typical traditional investments, and they completely forget that we're in the 21st century and there's a ton of amazing things that can help you do that and meet your financial goals. So with that being said, we're about to get into this video, and I know it's too early to ask for a like and say, hey, like this video, but if you're feeling excited today, drop a like. But we're about to jump straight into this, and the first one kind of connects with what we talked about a little bit in the last video, and that is actually a website called People Per Hour. And once again, if you have a skill, if you have some kind of task that you're good at, some kind of activity that you are good at, there is no reason that you cannot leverage your skill and the time you've learned, the time you have taken to learn that skill, to be able to post it on a website like People Per Hour, where you can be able to make money and sell your services. And there's plenty of other websites. We talked about some last time, but once again, if some of these don't fit, it's not your cup of tea, no worries. There's tons of other videos before this, and we still have more things here. But if you have a skill and that's something you want to do, maybe you're good at package design, or maybe you're good at whatever, you can post that on here and be able to make some extra income. And of course, that's extremely flexible. So rolling into, you can actually see that these guys are making, you can make $10 to $150 per hour. It really just kind of comes down to the skill. The more valuable the skill you have is, the more you're going to get paid, just like anything in life. But it's very similar to Upwork and Fiverr and places like that. And it's just another place to have flexibility to earn income. Number 2 here, we can roll into TaskRabbit. This is a fun little thing where it's not just online stuff. It's more of like stuff around your city and around where you live. For example, there might be some tasks people are placing, like, hey, help me move this couch. Or, hey, you've got a truck, help me move. That classic classic concept. Or maybe I just need help putting together, a furniture or mounting a TV. And if that's something you're a little more handy and you'd like to be out and about, that's a really great opportunity for you to just, take a couple hours Saturday, make a couple $100, helping someone, hang a TV or whatever, and be able to leverage your time to the most you can. So number 3 we can roll into here is connected to all of these, and this is top tall. But this only works if you are a top 3% freelancer, whatever the heck that means, top 3%. I don't know how they judge that, but if you are you have a very honed skill, maybe you're older in your life and you have a very, skill you've been working on in your career that you've been developing for 10, 15, 20 years, then this is definitely a place where you can go and list your skill, where people can essentially be able to hire you, and you're gonna get paid a lot more simply because you have all of that experience. Number 4 here is similar, but specific to people if they are more in the realm of web development. And the cool thing about this is if you're good at web development and you get approved into this program, the jobs come to you. As in, you don't have to really post or advertise or do anything like that. They just come to you, you accept or you reject, and you make money, which is cool. It doesn't apply to everyone. I understand that, but who knows? You can't tell who's gonna watch these kinds of videos. And if you happen to be a web developer, bingo, this is perfect for you. Rolling into number 5 here is a concept that is so close to my heart, and that is Amazon FBA, because the fact is I have been able to retire, and the reason I'm still here doing my stuff is simply by my mission, purpose, and fulfillment. I don't want to just sit on my butt and not do anything, but I also want to be the best me I can be. So I've been able to retire, not the conventional retire, just go do nothing for the rest of your life, what people view it as, but be able to have financial freedom and be able to retire my dad here. He is 6'8". I'm only like 6, I like to say 6.5 feet. I like to give me that half, but I somehow got screwed on the whole height game. And anybody that's really short is gonna be pissed that I'm saying that, but the fact is I got screwed. My grandpa was 6'6", 6'8", 6 foot, and I'm like, what happened? But besides that, I don't know, God bless me with something else that I'm not quite sure on yet that replaces that. I think that'd be pretty cool. But he essentially is a doctor and he's bent over all day, and I joke with him, I'm like, Dad, you picked a horrible profession. You're 6'8", bent over, helping people. And I'm like, that just doesn't make sense. He's had multiple herniated discs, neck problems, back problems, and just the works. And he enjoys helping people, but he really wanted to slow down, and he still works and does what he enjoys, but is able to pick and choose what he wants to do. So you might be later in your life where you're like, I really enjoy my job, but I'd really like to just say, no to that client, I'm gonna go play golf. Like, that's kind of the situation that you would really want to be in, and that's the position I was able to put my dad in through Amazon FBA and this type of program, where essentially you're able to access their 1.45 billion monthly customers coming there every single month. And I've said this stupid phrase multiple times throughout this series, 1.45 billion monthly users coming every month. No duh, monthly users come every month. God, but it's really just a numbers game when it comes to that. Like, if you could list your product that you sourced and you're storing on Amazon's warehouse and sell it to just a small tiny fraction of that percentage, you're gonna make a good amount of money. And the cool thing is this is an investment that generates passive income, but also builds and increases in value over time a lot quicker than some of these typical investments. So down below, I'm gonna link the Amazon Straight Path program, and you can actually get access to that for only get access to that for probably, I'd probably say 1 Chipotle burrito. I think it may be more. I don't remember what Chipotle burritos are running nowadays, but I'm pretty sure bottom line, it's $7. And the fact is, I don't need your $7. The reason I'm charging for it is because when you pay attention. And I need you to pay attention because Amazon is the #1 best way to make money and build a business and build wealth for yourself, your family, and your future family, period. And I've spent the last 3 years making sure that my system, V1, it is called V1 Amazon system, is the best, most consistent, most reliable, and most systematic approach to be able to just do this and not have any crazy doubt where you're like, okay, this may work here. It just removes the uncertainty. And so if you click down below, you'll be able to get access to that for $7. Like I said, I don't need your $7, but I need you to take it seriously. So that is Amazon FBA. There is just so much money to be made. The reason Jeff Bezos is the richest person in the world is because of Amazon and their FBA program, allowing everyday people, just like you and me, to sell on there to all of their customers. And with that being said, if you're having fun, if you're having a great day, if the weather was outside was nice, drop this video a like. If you're new here, why don't you subscribe? But you're new, so it may be scary to do that. Why don't you just hit that bell and you'll get notified when I post new videos, so you can kind of feel the channel out and if it's for you. And if it's not for you, make sure to leave a mean comment because, that's what people like to do. But next, let's hop into number 6. And number 6 here is Sign Up Direct. And this refers back to some of the other concepts that I talked about in other videos. And this is really the highest paying one when it comes to reviewing legal cases. You can earn at least $100 or more for a day's work being able to essentially evaluate these cases, these legal cases. And if this is like your type of thing, if you love crime and drama and that kind of stuff, this is your cup of tea to be able to get paid, more than $100 to review these cases and kind of give your opinion and feedback on them. So number 7 here is actually Swagbucks. This is a fun little thing, and this is not something that you're gonna do if you're gonna be like, I'm gonna sit down and work and make some fat stacks. Don't do this. This is not the thing to do. This is a thing to do where you're watching Netflix and you're just messing around and you're not really putting much brain power into it. You can turn a video on, not watch it and just while you're cooking and be able to make actual real money, which is really kind of cool. And the way this all works is basically through AdSense. There's ads being played and they basically pay you for doing these activities, which is interesting. And as you can see right here, my ledger says they've made, 136,000 Swagbucks, about, $3.73 per day, which, that doesn't take a lot of time. And that adds up over time. And as long as you're just kind of messing around, not putting any real effort or time into it, just kind of messing around, you can make it, a couple bucks here and there, and that can add up if you just kind of do it every day. But in general, this is not a business plan to do. I don't suggest doing it, but I put it in here in case you just like to stay busy with your hands and just do some stuff. What are we at? Number 7? Number 8? Number 7. No, we're at number 7 here. And this is Coupon Cheat. This is a very interesting one. And the concept here is that you can, first of all, it's free to sign up. And what you do is submit coupons on here. And if you're the first one, you can be able to essentially, whoever claims that coupon, you get 2% of all of the sales up to $25 per month on that coupon per coupon. So the cool thing is there's people like this here that is actually making, let's see, where is this? As you can see, you get 2% on the sale when they use the code that you submitted for these big establishments. And essentially this person's making about $140 per month. And you might be in a position where 140 bucks a month might be awesome. You could pay off a couple bills and simply by submitting coupons online and making 140 bucks a month sounds pretty nice to me. So that might be something that you're like, wow, that sounds pretty awesome. So number 9 here is Leprix. And we talked about this, or Lepri, I don't know. But English and math, man, those are common things, and sometimes I screw it up. But what this is referring back to some of the other videos that we talked about, essentially selling some of the clothes that you may have at your place, as long as this specifically is a place that has more luxury, brand name, high class clothes, where of course you're going to be able to get more bucks for them, and it's more valuable and important to be able to sell that stuff here because that's what they operate with. And so like I said, if you've got some clothes, do some spring cleaning or whatever kind of cleaning you want to do and just sell them here and get some money based on when they sell them, that's pretty cool. And the last one here, number 10, is StudySoup. We've talked about this concept a couple videos ago when it comes to if you're a student, if you're in college, whatever position in life you're at, and you have notes. Maybe you have some notes from years ago and they're really good. I don't know. But, this is a very interesting, cool way to be able to submit notes that you're taking in class because you're already taking them anyways and be able to actually get paid for them. Pretty neat if you ask me. But guys, that is all 10 here. We blasted through these 10 different ones. And once again, if you didn't find, you liked any of these, we've got a ton of other videos before this, and there's one more after this that we talk about, like I said, 110 different ways, strategies, methods to make money online. So do me a favor, make my day, drop this video a like, subscribe down below, and if you wanna hit the bell, hit the bell. And if you're interested or even curious about Amazon, make sure to click that link down below for the Amazon Straight Path program. It is only $7. And like I said, I don't need your $7. Trust me, it's there for you because I want you to be committed, and I'm here to really drag you to success, kicking or screaming or just coming peacefully. So I'd like for you to come peacefully, but the bottom line is we all deserve to be wealthy, and we can all be wealthy. So let's just do it all together. So once again, thanks for joining me on this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.